Water timers are getting smarter and smarter. This one here is controlled via Bluetooth, and this thing is awesome. It's got a really sleek app, really nice to use, and the best thing is, if you have other Lumary products like outdoor lights, you can control them from the same app. Lumary 2-hose water timer is a really compact little device here. It's not going to be a big water timer you're going to have there on the end of your hose, so it's going to be able to be tucked away really nice. You got the brass connector up here. You have a little mesh filter to make sure you're not getting any debris into the device itself. On the bottom here, you do have plastic connectors, which are not ideal, but I have found that these do work well. You could put quick connectors on here so that you can easily remove hose pipes and connect something else up if you need that. You got a manual override on the front here, so you can turn the right side on or the left side on, depending how you're looking at this. And on the back here, you do have to put 4 AA batteries. They're not included. I've got my Amazon Basics batteries in here too. Nice little seal around the side. You don't see the seal around here on some lower end products, so it's nice to have that, make sure that water doesn't get into those batteries. This Lumary 2-zone water timer has been great for watering areas in my yard where my in-ground sprinklers don't get. I haven't noticed any drop off in pressure, and the area that these sprinklers have been able to cover is very similar to what they are when I take the hose straight to the sprinklers. The only problem is I've had to turn them on and off by hand, but with this device here, I can just control them with my phone, which is really handy. It saves me a lot of time, and when I'm out of town, I can just easily flick them on or turn them off when I want.